I really don't do YouTube videos, but I'm gonna give it a try. This gonna be a walkthrough of my 2006 Chrysler 300 swap. It come with a lot of nice features like heated rear seats. Of course, it come with the heated seats in the front, cooled and heated cup holders. Even though this swap, it still got AC. I got a starlight headliner. It just not on right now. Fully functioning steering wheel buttons. All my dash controls work for the lights. I swapped a 2.7 V6 with a 5.7 Hemi. I also upgraded my brakes to Brembos, big boys. I painted the engine bay red before I put the motor in. I swapped my original headlights with some halos. It's gonna be a short video since in my first video, y'all subscribe and I'll start dropping way longer videos. Just show me some love.